Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be visiting with Mike Jacobs. He is one of Oklahoma Ford dealers' fixed operations manager. He has years of experience hiring Ford technicians and working with the asset program. He's got some great advice for those who are looking to get into this great career. Let's listen to Mike as he shares some of his experience and what they look for in a good technician. I help automotive service technicians get jobs at Oklahoma Ford dealers. I'm the Ford Dealers of Oklahoma's technical recruiting liaison. I facilitate and initiate the hiring process. If you or someone you know would like more information, please contact me at 918-928-7433. Email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. Be sure to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Now let's get back to it.
Good morning everyone, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate you being here. So I wanted to come and give kind of an industry perspective of what the dealerships want and need. The employees that we're trying to hire, we're the ones that are going to be partnering up with you to help you be successful in your career. So just to talk a little bit about what's required. First of all, we're looking for people that are going to be good employees, right? So that's true of any job that you get. So we want someone who's going to show up on time, have a good attitude. We want a clean driving record. We don't want any criminal issues to deal with or anything like that. We want a really good employee. We don't want you to have a whole lot of issues to deal with. A good driver's license, of course. Driving record, obviously a dealership's going to want you to have a good driving record for insurance purposes. Drug-free is important. We want to make sure that you can show up on time and do your job well and take care of our customers in a professional way. We'll talk a little bit about the asset program. The value for the money, you can't beat it. It's absolutely an excellent program. It's a 2-year program that you come out with an associate's degree and you absolutely can't beat it. All the dealerships are dedicated to your success, so if this is something you have an interest in, we implore you to please reach out to your local dealership, any of those stores, and reach out to me at any time. We're more than happy to get hooked up with you and help you in any way. We're dedicated to your success in the same way that you want to succeed. It's a mutually beneficial scenario. So any of you that have an interest, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You know, if you have a technical mind, if this is something that excites you and something you enjoy, we're very interested in people that have a technical background or people that have an interest in anything that's technical. If you're a craftsman, and by that I mean that you're somebody who takes pride in what you do, you really want to turn out an excellent product, take pride in being able to repair customers' vehicles and turn a product out that's at factory specifications and satisfy those customers. That's certainly a very important qualification or attribute that we would like to see. Anyone that has an interest in racing, you know, some of that translates over. The electric vehicles are coming, and that's something that's very, very important. So all of these things are very exciting, and there's things that us employers are looking for. People that are excited in that. We want you to succeed. That's what's best for us. That's what's best for you. You're paid throughout this process. When you're at the dealership working, you're paid. You're with a master technician who's going to guide you through the process and show you how to fix and repair these vehicles. So it's a paid internship, and it's very, very effective, something we really believe in. Employee-wise, we want you to be the person that has the good attitude, that has the drive to really want to succeed. That drive is very important. You're not going to have anybody looking over your shoulder once you become a service technician. So having that drive, that internal drive to want to do well and to produce well will really help you be successful. A lot of money to be made in this industry. So very, very important that you have that drive. Thanks guys, I just want to say thank you for tuning in. We really appreciate it. And like I said, anyone that has any interest in the Ford Asset Program, any dealership, any Ford dealership would be happy to speak with you. You can walk right in the service department, talk to the service manager. We'd be happy to have a conversation with you, help you understand how to get into this program and the benefits and getting things going for you. So thank you very much. We appreciate your time.